In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create highlights on Instagram. Now, if you want to do this without adding them to your stories, you want to click on the video in the card or on the video link in the description down below. But right now I'm going to show you how you can do this the normal way. So first of all, you want to go to your stories and then you want to create a brand new story. You can also do this by using older stories by going into the archive, but I'm just going to post a brand new story. So right now I just shared that on my story. I'm going to click on it and I'm just going to wait for it to post. There you go. You can then see the share to, the Facebook, and then the highlight icon. You want to click on the highlight icon and you can then add a brand new highlight. So I'm just going to add it. There you go. You can add a name and then click on view on profile. And then right there, you'll see an Instagram highlight. Now let me just get rid of this. There you go. You can click on it and you can also edit this. So click on edit highlight and then you can change the cover by clicking right there. You can then select a image from your gallery or you can zoom in. So if I just zoom in right now and then click on done. Okay, so that's pretty much how you can create highlights on Instagram. Once again, if you want to do this without adding it to your stories, click on the video on the card or in the description. Leave a like if you enjoyed this video if this helps, and then I'll see you next time.